That's why I have
Today,
no
mga
muscle.
friends, etong aking apo, tignan mo, kasama namin dito sa Tim Horton. Masyadong energetic at walang ginawa kundi mag-ingay. Oh, excited siya kasi bumili siya.
We need to buy it in the new Yoyo.
Ito mo, daldal.
But thank you to pay for it, Yoyo. Even Mama, why you didn't pay? Why you didn't pay?
Because I don't have money. It's all.
That is okay. That is okay. That is what Poppy. I give you money next time.
Next time. Okay.
Only one bigger.
Okay. Tignan nyo. Bibigyan daw niya ako ng money next time when I be. Oh, don't touch.
But I'll give you $1.
Only $1?
No, I mean $3.
$3?
Yes, $3. But I will not waste my money.
Why?
Because you know what? Because I'll buy a new house. What did you for that?
Oh, what else are you going to buy?
Food, because we don't have any enough food.
Oh, and then?
You for that. For
What?
that, I will buy a car.
What?
I will buy a new car for us.
A new car?
Yes.
Why?
Because you put this our first time. This is our old car, you know.
Old car.
So I can see our car now. Don't buy down, miss you. So why you out there? I thought you will use tongue to come with us.
Oh, you can take me in coconut. Paano daw?
I can not eat that. Not if you eat too much Yoyo.
Bear.
Your mommy will get so fat.
But actually, if I think that to mommy, he don't let ma.
Why?
Because
Your mommy eat too much coconut.
in the very fat.
Sabi?
I don't not eat that. Not if you eat too much, mama.
Bear.
Don't beat the ball.
Talaga? O, sige. Babay ka na sa viewer natin.
Bye-bye.
What will you say?
With our viewer, I am our viewer. Goodbye. I'll miss you again. See you next time.